Hi there! Today I will show you how to set up a fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. So, as a first step, open Settings on your phone and scroll down until you will see this tab named Security and Privacy. Here, click on Biometrics and click on Fingerprints. Enter your PIN code and click Continue. Click Continue and place your finger on the sensor, then lift it up when you feel a vibration. The sensor is located right here, and let's do it. And don't forget to change position of your finger so the sensor can read all of the edges of your finger. And here is it. Now we click done. And we can see our fingerprint named like Fingerprint 1. For example, if we click on it, we can rename it, for example, Emily, and click Save, because we are able to add another fingerprint for another person. This is really useful. And now let's test it. And here is it. Now you know how to set a fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.